Here's a really nice Tim West pipe from the US. This is a nice half-bend Calabash style pipe shape. The pipe is fully restored and sanitized. It's cleaned out and ready to smoke. It's just in absolutely mint condition, showing very, very few signs of previous use. It's a larger pipe. I'm 6'2", and the bowl pretty much fills my hand. One of my favorite things about this pipe, besides the awesome shape, is the graining. If you're a bird's eye fan, then this is your pipe. You can see on one side the bird's eye graining, then with the cross grain on the front of the bowl, and then it just explodes into bird's eye on this side of the bowl. You can see how tight it is, and just all over the shank and all over the side of the bowl. It's a really, really nice pattern. And then that contrast graining, that cross graining on the front rolls over into the bottom of the bowl and bottom of the shank as well. The top of the stem has no teeth marks, neither does the bottom. The stem's in just perfect shape. The pipe is marked Tim West, handmade, USA. Just an absolutely beautiful pipe from Mr. Tim West, ready to be enjoyed by its next owner.